Hello everyone, Specialty Chef Cooking with Marty here. I got a great recipe today. It's called curry shrimp pasta. Can't wait till you guys go ahead and give it a try. But I want to go ahead and show you how I make it. Let's get into it. Okay everyone, let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and apply my oil. My pan is hot, by the way. I'm also going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Put that on there. Control my heat. And while that's getting all happy, I'm going to go ahead and grab a wooden spoon here. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I got 2 tablespoons of curry. Put that in there. Salt and pepper. About a teaspoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of onion powder. Give it a little stir, a little happy. Now while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and introduce my shrimp. My shrimp has been peeled, cleaned, and dried, so nothing is going to splatter or anything like that. I'm going to introduce my shrimp. And all I'm going to do is just going to saute my shrimp real good. Flipping it over every now and then. And I'm just going to cook these for no less than a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. That's about it, but I'm going to keep stirring and we'll get all that just flavor of curry and the garlic and onion powder, and get that all happy and all that as well. Oh, that looks delicious. I also have some boiling, I'm going to have some water over here to boil my pasta, so I'm just going to do that al dente. Alright. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out. And by me taking them out, I'm going to take them out so they don't cook too long, because I want them to go ahead and cook the rest of the way with the rest of my dish. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out now. I'm going to turn down my heat. Alright everyone, we're going to go ahead and finish this off. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more garlic just for flavor, and I'm going to go ahead and put some French onion in there. French onion gives it a really good flavor. So I'm going to give this a stir. I call this like the one pot curry shrimp pasta dish. This is going to be great. What I have done already is that I just boiled my noodles. They're just al dente. I only boiled them for like maybe 4 minutes. So I want to go ahead and do the rest of it in the pot here. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go ahead and introduce my pasta. Go ahead and put a little bit more olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and put some wine. It's only about maybe half a cup of wine. Bring that temperature up so I can cook off that wine. Introduce my shrimp back into my dish here. And by me doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get this tossed. Turn it down a little bit. Now put a little bit of lemon zest. I got enough lemon zest. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and do my knife. Just going to put a little bit of lemon juice. That's beautiful. Alright, give this a stir. It's looking good already. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it. Okay, I'll put that down on medium heat. Don't let that simmer for about 5 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and garnish it, and then it's ready to eat. Alright. This is Specialty Chef Marty. Just showing you curry shrimp pasta, Specialty Chef way. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys try it. The recipe will be in the video. So thank you for tuning in. And this looks absolutely unbelievably great. So I'm going to go ahead and sit down with my family, and we're going to go ahead and enjoy this. So see you soon, and always keep cooking.